Good afternoon. Now we will see remaining 3 questions, that is of assignment 5. So now we have this as first question. And in this question, we have to find displacement at free end. So displacement at free end, if we will go by using conjugate beam method, so we have to find moment at B. So MB we have to find. So now one end is fixed, so this is fixed, so this becomes free in conjugate, and this is free, so this becomes fixed in conjugate beam. And in conjugate beam, we have to find value of MB. Now EI, so we have given 200 into 10 raised to 3 into 700 into 10 raised to 6. And to convert Newton millimeter square into kilonewton meter square, if we multiply these two, we will get unit of EI as Newton millimeter square. So Newton to kilonewton 10 raised to minus 3, millimeter square to meter square 10 raised to minus 6. And therefore we are going to multiply it by 10 raised to minus 9. And then we will get it as 14, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 140 into 10 raised to 3, I can say kilonewton meter square. So now we will start with, so we will have this as 500 because we have total load will act at center and value will be 10 into 10. And this will be 100 kilonewton. And then this 100 kilonewton will act at 5 meter from A center. So it will be 500 upon EI. So now if we will draw this conjugate beam, so A becomes free. So this is end A and B becomes fixed. So whatever bending moment at B, that will be deflection at B. So what we will get, delta B is equal to MB is equal to. So we have this as parabola. So for parabola, we have value that is 1 by 3 into 500 upon EI into 10 into, it will act from B, that is 1/4 of 10. And so if we will calculate this value, then we will get this value as 500 into 100 divided by 7. So this comes 7142.85 upon EI. And EI we have 14,000. So 7142.85 upon 14,000. So divided by 14,000. And we will get this value. So something goes wrong. So we have this as parabola. So 1/3. Sorry, we have this will be from here. This is 3/4. 3/4 from B and 1/4 from A. And therefore this value we have. So just I will rub this. So it will be, so we have this value. So this will be 3/4 from B, 3/4 of 10. And therefore we have this value. So this 3 gets cancelled. We have 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 500 into 25 divided by 14,000. And we have this value 89.29. So this will be 12,500 and then 12,500 upon 14, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12,500 divided by 14 multiplied by 1,000, it comes 89.3. So this will be 89 millimeters. So option downward, this will be load is in downward direction, so it will be downward. Option is D. Now we will go with this. Again, we will use conjugate beam. This simple remains simple. Roller, that is continuous support. This becomes hinge. And C we have free, so this becomes fixed. And therefore we have, this is given beam. So this becomes our conjugate beam. Now on conjugate beam, we have to draw BMD. Now you can see P into A. This will be bending moment in BC portion. So we have, this will be PA upon EI. Now if we will take moment about A0. So we have moment about A0 and then we have equal to minus RB into A plus P into 2A. And therefore RB we will get it as 2P. So we have RB 2P. And therefore automatically we will get this value as P again. Summation Fy0. P downward, P downward. Now this will be again bending moment at B, we will get P into A. So we have again P into A. And then we will get BMD, that is conjugate beam with M by EI diagram. Conjugate beam with M by EI diagram. M by EI diagram. Now we are interested to find reaction at A. So if I will find VA, I will say. So we will take moment about B0. So it will be this total load. So that we will calculate. So we have 1/2 into A into PA upon EI. So we have, this will be PA square upon 2EI. Where it will act at A by 3 from here. Now this total load we have again the same, that is PA square upon 2EI. Where it will act? So it will act at 2 by 3 of A from C. So now first we will find a reaction VA. We are interested to find slope at C. So we have to find reaction at C, for which we have to find VA. So we will take moment about B equal to 0. So this VA will be in downward direction. So we will get equal to VA into A minus, we have triangular load PA square upon 2EI and it will act at A by 3 equal to 0. And therefore we will get value of VA, which will be equal to PA square upon 6EI. Now what is summation Fy if we will go? Then we will have VA. So that is minus VA, I will say. Now this will be minus VA, if we will say we have anti-clockwise and this is plus. Now we will have VA minus VA downward. Then we have plus area of the triangle 1/2 into 2A into PA square, into PA upon EI, area of this triangle. So we have this area, total base is 2A and height is PA upon EI. Then we have minus VB, I am taking it downward, equal to 0. we are considering, because we know it should be on downward. So, or you can write it plus VB, then also it's okay. So you are assuming this value of PB that is in upward direction. So just I will make it in upward direction. And so we have taken this value as plus. And now from this, if we will calculate VB, then we will get it as these two gets cancelled. So we have PA square upon 2EI, sorry, upon only EI minus VA. So we have VA minus PA square upon 6EI. And this whole have minus sign. And if we will solve this, we have minus 5 PA square upon 6EI. So this will be in down. We have considered upward. So answer is minus. So we have downward VC. And therefore we know slope theta C equal to VC equal to 5 PA square upon 6EI. So we have 5 PA square upon 6EI. Option is B. Now we are interested to find, that is next, deflection at C. So deflection at C means we have to find bending moment at C. And what will be bending moment at C? We have MC. So now we will take moment about B0 and then only we will get value of MC. Moment about B equal to 0 because we have internal hinge. And now we have reaction gives clockwise. So I will consider it as anti-clockwise. And that will be MC. Now we have MC. So now we will have VC into A. So we will go VC into A. VC into A minus, this will be clockwise, so minus PA square upon 2EI, that is of triangle, and where it will act. So this triangle we have PA square upon 2EI, moment we are taking about B, so it becomes A by 3. So we have into A by 3, into A by 3. This is plus or minus. So we have reaction plus. This will be minus and minus MC equal to 0. What is value of VC? 5 by 6. PA cube becomes now upon EI and minus PA cube upon 6EI, and that will be value of MC. Now we have denominator same. So MC we will get it as 4 PA cube upon 6EI, and this becomes 2 by 3 PA cube upon EI. And we will get displacement at C equal to moment at C equal to PA 2 by 2 PA cube upon 3 EI. So 2 PA cube upon 3 EI. So we have option is D, 2 PA cube upon 3 EI. So these are the questions which are related with your assignment number 5. Now we will stop here only. Thank you.